Here's the second book in our series of My First Look and Find sound books. This is the transport title. This also has 50 sounds of different vehicles along with 2 other buttons. This is a board book with multiple sounds and flap pages. Let's start with the first page. It's a fold out page of the vehicles you can find in town. So can you spot these modes of transport and see what sounds they make? Let's try and find the ice cream van. Find the ice cream van. So this is the fold out page. Next we see vehicles which are in water. So let's try and find the yacht. Then we have vehicles in the countryside, again with a fold out. We have construction vehicles and vehicles which are in the sky. So then we find the light aircraft, right, and the sound associated with it. So this is the My First Look and Find sound book, Transport Themes. This works with 3 batteries, AAA size. Batteries are provided with this book and can be replaced as and when required. Drop us a message to order this book now.